Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show the installation of latest Eclipse and then configure it with the latest Java version. For that, the first thing what we are going to do that we are going to install the latest JDK or latest Java. For that, we have to go to Google, and in the Google we have to type JDK installation or JDK download. Once the first site, that Oracle site, you can click on it, and after clicking you can see that is JDK download. You can click on this button or on this link. Once download is successful, you can see this file. The file name is JDK15 Windows 64 bin.zip file. And once you unzip it, this is a zip folder. Once you unzip it, you can see that the JDK hyphen 15 folder is created, and this folder contains all the required artifacts for JDK 15. After doing that, we have to make sure that Java home and Java bin is set in the path. For that, you have to go to the environment variables of the machine. You can right click your PC icon and go to properties. In the properties you can see that there are advanced system settings. You go here, and here go to environment variables. In the environment variable you can go to system variable. In the system variable I've already set the Java home, so you also have to set Java underscore home variable. So wherever your JDK-15 extracted folder is there, that home folder one has to set it over here. After that, you can go to path variable. In the path variable we have to set the system bin folder, because for all the executables for the Java are there inside the bin folder. You can see that it is already being added here, but for you what you have to do, you have to create a new, and in the new folder simply copy the entire bin folder path, or since Java home is already set, you have to do that percentage Java underscore home. So Java home is the placeholder, and any placeholder you can access using the uh, percentage special character or identifier, and then /bin. This is also a way you can set the path. So after doing that, you have to simply click on OK button, and you have to make sure that Java home and path is set properly. So for that, open the command prompt. In the command prompt you type echo percentage Java underscore home. So here the JDK15 folder is set for Java home, and also you can do the same thing for the path variable. In the path variable, echo percentage path, and here you can see that uh, somewhere, since this is cluttered a bit, you can copy the entire path value and paste it to your notepad. In the notepad you can simply search for JDK-15, and you can see that the bin folder is set, the bin path is set to the path variable. Another way to check is that whether your JDK 15 is installed or not. Go to the command prompt and type java version. So here you can see that OpenJDK version 15 is installed. This is how one can make sure that JDK 15 is installed. After that, you have to install the latest version of Eclipse. So latest version of Eclipse I have already installed. And how to know whether it's a latest version? Go to the help of the Eclipse, and here you can click on about Eclipse IDE. So this is version 2020 4.17, and this version does not support JDK 15. So if you create any project here, hello world project, go to properties. In the properties you can see that there is a Java compiler. In the Java compiler, the latest version which is shown here is 14. So you can go here and go to Java compiler, and in the Java compiler, if you wanted to select the latest version of JDK, you can see here is that the latest version is JDK 14. So in our case we require JDK 15. So before doing that, since I already have Eclipse installed on my machine, but in case if you're not having Eclipse, you can go to eclipse.org site on Google, open the browser, type www.google.com. I think I've opened my mailbox. Type Eclipse, download. On the very first site, you can click on the very first site, Eclipse download. Here on the left hand side you can see that get Eclipse ID 2020 and this is 64-bit. This Eclipse ID will work for 64-bit machine. Make sure that your laptop is having your local machine is 64-bit supported, else you have to download the appropriate version. The Mac user, they can download the respective version, respective ID flavor. Once you click on download 64-bit, will come over here, and this is a mirror image, and this mirror image, depending on which location you are. So for my case, it is coming China, Delhi, and New South University of Information. For you, it may be different. You can select other mirror as well. The mirror will make sure that your download is fast. Once you click on download, that Eclipse installation file will be downloaded. So in my case, I have already downloaded. I have already downloaded it. So I have downloaded in my folder installed softwares Eclipse 2020. Here you can see that uh, this is the installation file, and if you double click on it, for installation you have to click on it. So this is Eclipse installer, and depending on your requirement, there are different Eclipse ID for different development requirement. So there is ID for Java developers and enterprise Java developers. In my case, since I also work on the web-based technology, for that reason I have downloaded Eclipse ID for enterprise Java developers. For you, if you're only working on the core Java use cases, so better you download this one because this is lightweight. If you go on and click on this, so it this Eclipse version need minimum Java 11 plus virtual machine, and wherever you have installed JDK, it will automatically pick up that Java version. So in your case, suppose for some reason it is not picking up the default JDK where you have installed it. So my suggestion is that you can browse it and give the location path, and and the target installation directory. What I suggest that better you install other than C drive, because in case tomorrow if you need to format your machine, your Eclipse installation should not go away. For that reason, you can install in any other directory other than C drive. After that, if you click on install, it will take some time depending on the speed, depending on internet speed. Once it is installed successfully, this folder will be created, Eclipse folder will be created, and inside the Eclipse different artifacts are configuration, drop-ins, plugins, readme, and eclipse.exe. If you double click on eclipse.exe, this will come. This ID window will open. After that, you go and click on the help button, and here you can confirm that what version of Eclipse you have. So about Eclipse IDE, here you can see that it is version 2020-09 4.1170. Still, this ID supports only Java 14. So in order to make it work for Java 15 as well, what you have to do that you have to go to help, Eclipse Marketplace, and then in the search icon, it's taking some time, please wait. In the search icon, you can type Java 15 support, and then click on go. So the very first plugin is Java 15 support for Eclipse 2020-09 and 4.17. So click on install button. It will take some time. Depending on the internet speed of your service provider, it, it will take some time. So it is downloading. Java 15 support plugin for this ID is getting downloaded. So here you can see that by default Eclipse JDT, Java Development Tools, Eclipse PD patch with Java 15 support for 2020-09 development stream. It's better you select these are the default selection, to keep it as it is, and then click on the confirm button. If you want, you can select the other two as well, but I don't think so that is required. So click on the confirm button. Accept the license agreement, and then click on finish button. On the right bottom side, you can see that installation for this Java support is going on for this Eclipse, and this is right now 4%. Again, this percentage update depends on your internet speed. It is taking some time. Also on the taskbar, you can see the bar percentage bar is shown as green color. Percentage green color fill up. So now it is 83 percentage. Yeah. So after plugin is successfully installed, restart of the Eclipse is required. To restart now, restart the IDE. It is restarting. So now to make sure that it is supporting Java 15, you can go to Window, you can go to Preferences. In the Preferences, you can select the Java option. In the Java option, if you go and click on Compiler, here you can see that now it is supporting Java 15 as well. So that's it. So in this video, I talked about installation of latest Eclipse version and then configure it with Java 15. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up. Else you can give me thumbs down as well. Thank you.